Hi, I'm Dan with Cali Raised, and in this video we're going to show you how to install the center console MOLLE for the 4th Gen Tacoma as well as the 6th Gen 4Runner. For hardware, you're going to receive 4 rivet nuts, 1 hex spacer, a hex head 1/4 inch bolt, 4 1/4 inch washers or 1/4 inch button head bolts, and 4 aluminum spacers. For tools, you're going to need a drill, a marker, a 3/8 drill bit or a 1/2 inch stepper bit, a 1/2 inch box end wrench, a 7/16 box end wrench, and a 5/32 Allen wrench. I've already installed the rivet nuts on this panel, but I'm going to show you how to mark it and then how to install those. So what you're going to do is take your center console MOLLE, put it in place, and you're going to take a marker of your choice and you're going to mark it through those holes. Sometimes it's easier to use a drill bit with a sharp tip just to mark the plastic a little bit so you know where to drill. There's some variability, so you can have this slide around where you want. You can have it touching the body panel up front, you can have it scooted back a little bit. So this is just where we've set ours. So we're gonna go ahead and install it like this, but I'll show you how to drill and install those plus nuts. So to install the rivet nut, what you're going to do is install this part into your plastic panel. So it's gonna look something like this, but with this part sitting flush against the plastic panel. You're then going to use a 1/2 inch wrench to hold the hex spacer still. And then you're going to be using your 7/16 wrench to then tighten this down. So this is a little difficult with it not being in place, but as you turn this, you can see that it's slowly expanding. And you're going to be doing that until that is pinching this section between the plastic panel and this end of the rivet nut. And you can over tighten this, but this should be okay. So once you have this expanded far enough, I would go this a little bit farther. You'd meet some resistance where it stops wanting to expand. You can stop, and then that's installed. So I'm just going to stop there, but this will compress even more. And then once you're done expanding this nut, all you have to do is remove this 1/4 inch bolt, and you're going to do that 3 more times to all those locations. Now that the rivet nuts are installed into the panel, we're going to be installing our MOLLE panel. So we're going to be placing a spacer behind the panel. An easy way to do that is to install your bolt like so, and then slide the spacer on, and then move that into place, and then you can tighten that down. So you're just going to be doing that same process for all 4 bolts, and it should be good to go. And that's how you install the center console MOLLE. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cali Raised LED's YouTube channel, as well as visiting caliraisedled.com to get more awesome product just like these.